Hi there. So here is the Troy-Bilt Storm 2410, and I just want to run through the quick start for it. I'll show you some quick features. First, this is the control for the auger, and then you have your speed right here with the different speed controls and reverse over here. So down here we have the primer right there, you have the key right there, you have the engine speed right there, and then your choke and run machine right there. So whenever you get started, you always want that to be in the choke position all the way down, and you want this to be all the way up in the rabbit position, and then the key has to be in. And there is a pull start, but it is much easier with the plug connected to the wall. So, and again, you have your gas cap and your oil right there, which you should always check before you run it. And then you have this crank here, which turns the thrower in whichever direction you're going. So to start, all you have to do is, like I said, make sure this is in the choke position, prime your engine 3 to 5 times, and then go over to the start button and let's see if it works. After a few minutes, all you have to do is move this from choke up to the run position.